Over the years, Robots Got Talents has reached thousands of learners and educators across over 90 countries, igniting curiosity in robotics, coding, and STEM. Its influence is unmistakable, empowering a new generation to innovate, create, and lead. Today, we take that success to an even higher level. It is our pleasure to introduce Bots Got Purpose, a global series of in-person workshops launching throughout 2026. This initiative is designed to channel the spirit of innovation toward meaningful societal impact, uniting educators, students, and technology enthusiasts around the world. At the heart of this initiative is a simple but powerful belief: every learner, every mentor, and every bot has a purpose. Each learner discovers their ability to make a difference. Each mentor shapes that journey with guidance and inspiration. And each bot becomes more than a machine, transforming into a tool for creativity, problem-solving, and positive change. Together, they form a community driven not only by knowledge, but by impact. Our mission extends far beyond education. Every event in this series is committed to creating real social value, with 100% of proceeds donated to a nationally selected charity in the host country, ensuring every participant contributes directly to meaningful change. We invite you all to join us in this pivotal movement, advancing technology, empowering communities, and strengthening our shared global future.